Alright everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to save data into MongoDB. As I said before, when you want to save data into database, you have to use data model. For example, I want to save product data into database. I have to use product model. Previously, we've learned how to create product model. Now I'm going to teach you how to use it. For example, when a user hit this route, let me create a route for saving data into the database. Okay, app method should be post, and then when they hit product route, I will save data to database. Okay, let's put request and respond over here. So we can access the data that they send to us via request over here. Over here, let me console log request.body. Okay, let's go to Insomnia. Let me create a new folder over here. Okay, new folder over here, and I will name it Node API. Let me create a new request over here. Let's type HTTP localhost port 3000. Okay, we will hit product. Okay, and this method should be post because we specify method post over here, and this is the route that we want to hit, which is product over here. Okay, if I send something over there, oh, I forgot to put respond. We have to respond back. Respond, we can respond send and then request.body. Okay, save. For example, if I go back and hit again, it's respond nothing because we didn't send anything to this URL. Okay, let me send something to the route. In body over here, let's put JSON over here, and then let's create data that we want to send. For example, name, we want to send like soap, and quantity should be 5, and then price should be 5, and image, let me get the image from Google. Let me go to pixel, right? Okay, let me find soap over here. Yeah, this image is fine. Let me copy the URL, open image in new tab. Let's copy this URL. Okay, let's put this over here as string. So I put double quote over there, and let me send. Oh, over here we have to put double quote. It needs to be double quote. Okay, let's send again. We get nothing because I forgot to use middleware. So we have to specify middleware, JSON middleware, so our application can understand JSON. So over here I put app.use. So this is how we use middleware. So we are going to use express middleware and put this JSON. So right now our application can accept JSON data type. Let's go back again and send again. See, this is what we get. Okay, the next step, let's save data that we get from request or get from the clients to the database. Alright, let me remove this. Let me put try catch. Okay, if there is an error, I want to show error. Console log error dot message. Okay, and then I can respond back with status 500, and JSON I can put object message and then error message. Okay, and over here I can create a variable con product, and then okay, over here I will import product model. Con product equal to require, okay, model, and then product model. And then over here, because we want to save data to database, we need to save it through product model. Okay, let's put await over here because we interact with database, so we should put await over there. So when we put await over here, we should put asyncs over here. So alright, and then we put product. We call this product model. Okay, and then we wanna create new product in database with request body data. Okay, and we want to respond back with the data that we save into database, so we put rest and then status 200, and the data that we want to respond back is product that we save to database. Okay, save. Okay, let's try this thing again. Let's send it. Okay, you will see we get the new record, which is ID and created at and updated at. This means we successfully saved data into MongoDB. Okay, let's go to MongoDB and check if the data exists over there. Okay. See, you will see the data is over here and is in products and is in Node API collection. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below.